Welcome to our tutorial. In this section, we want to discuss on how to print out WAEC results using this portal, this manual portal. And in today's tutorial, we are going to show you how you can print out your results in Nigeria using this portal. My name is Kingsley. If you are new to our channel, please remember to subscribe and then like our post, share to anyone that you think needs to know about this result printing of a thing. Okay, now let's get started. Before we move on, do note that we have a customer care icon here that you can always get to us anytime, any day. Okay, now let's go on. Click on the Nigerian flag. It will take you to our Nigerian section where you see the first notice that we are not encouraging scamming, but only for urgent needs such as job interview or whatever that needs WAEC results. Okay, this is just to support people who want to upgrade their results. Okay, now in the first place, what we need now is examination number. What are we going to use now for examination number? Let's say 2020-005. Let's use this for our exam number for the illustration. Then for the candidate name, I would like to make use of let's say Kingsley. Okay, let's make use of this one available here, Kingsley Yakpabio, okay, as the candidate name. The next thing will be exam year. Let's select 2015. Okay, let's select 2010 as the exam year. Okay, then the next thing now is examination type. Are you a school candidate or a private candidate? Now let's select school candidate. Okay, now the next thing is examination center. Let me use something like community. Let's make everything in capital. Community secondary school. Should I just say Lagos? Let's just put it this very way once. Okay, community secondary school Lagos, for instance. Now we are going to select the subjects and the grades. We have 9 sections here that we're going to choose the subjects for ourselves, and then we choose the grade that we want to have for each subject, or in each subject, sorry. So the first thing, let's select let's check mathematics. Let's use mathematics and give ourselves A1. Yeah, over here we just set our examination number to be 2020-005, and we set our candidate name should be Kingsley Yakpabio. Our examination year should be 2010. Our examination type should be a school candidate, and our exam center should be community secondary school Lagos. And then we give ourselves general mathematics should be A1, English language B2, physics A1, biology C5, economics B3, agri science C4, geography B3, Christian religious studies B3, and Igbo A1. Okay, now we have another section here. This section is for card use. How many times do you want to show that you have used this card to print out? Now if you're making use of the print out section, you're making use of this printout section, that is when you are going to make use of this card use, which we are going to use now for this illustration. Okay, now the printout will give you exactly WAEC interface, which you can use the WAEC for anything like job interview, but it will not be updated on the database. If you want it to show on the database, that is when you're going to make use of this upload. This upload here is going to upload every information that is on the screen now to the database. Now, this upload, if you haven't written anything like WAEC, you are going to be very mindful of what you use as your exam number, so that it won't affect another person's results. And you'll be very careful of this exam center, because whatever is in exam center should be what you know is exactly exam number. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Like what your exam center name is should be exactly what your examination number is. All right. Now, when you're making use of this update button, the update button is for someone that once wrote exams. Maybe you have a F9 in one of the subjects, or you were absent in one of the subjects, and you want to make sure that everything you have here is A1s, or you want Bs or Cs. Okay, you can use this update button, but the update button will work only if you already have exam, if you already wrote exams. That is to say, you're going to make use of your exam number and your center name with candidate name. Okay, it will be updated according to what you already have on the database. That is to say, you cannot change from one subject to another. If you wrote these 9 subjects, you can only change the grades without affecting the subjects that is already on the database. That's one thing about the updates. Now let's proceed. Let's select the card used to be 3 out of 5. Okay, let's just say we use a 3 scratch card. We use the scratch card 3 times out of the 5 times. We are going to click on this print out now to see how it will look like. All right, you can see that we have a result that is not exactly like WAEC results. So what we are going to do now, let's go on and click on this, click here to print. Okay, let's click there now. It's still loading. Please just, wow, now you can see that our result is ready with the whole information that we set earlier. What we have, we set our examination number should be 2020-005, which is there, and we set our candidate name, we set our examination type, and then we set the examination center, which is exactly what is on the screen, and this is exactly what we set as our course and our subjects and grades. Okay, now you can see over there that the card used is 3 out of 5. That is exactly what you are going to see now on your results if it was submitted to the database. Now as it is now, you can decide to change it to A4 and print it out if you're connected to the printer, or you can decide to save it as a PDF to print anytime and any day that you want to print out your results. I believe this is very helpful. And the updates, if you're using updates or upgrade, it will take up to 3 to 5 working days for it to be updated. If you want to do that, you can easily contact our customer service, and the customer service, as I said earlier, you will see it down here. These are customer service icon, or you can still call the number on the screen to get in touch with our customer service. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do well to share with others, and you stand a chance to maybe get 1 or 2 results being printed out for you. Thank you for watching.